Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about nation, nationality, and nationalism. Political science, English medium, first year class. Okay, CEC first year, political science, English medium. Chapter 3. Nation, nationality, and nationalism. Nationalism. Okay, now topic nationalism. Nationalism is an effective force of in modern politics. Okay, today we will discuss about the nationalism and the importance of nationalism. Okay, nationalism and second category, importance of nationalism. Importance of nationalism. Okay, nationalism is one of the effective force in modern politics and political leaders and political viewers also. It is the modern politics we will change the nationalism feelings. Okay, nation. Yesterday we will discuss about nation, nationality. Nationality, it is country under the control by country level only. Okay, but here nationalism, every nationalism under the force of the every modern politics. Modern politics, nationalism is the one of the main importance in every political party. Political leaders also mainly effective and decide of the nationalism feelings. Next, importance of nationalism. What is the main importance of nationalism? It is the viewers and many scientific fellows, scientific reasons. Scientifically, it is the what it is the main important of nation. Scientifically, it is the main important. Scientifically, it is the main important, and its political power. Its effect on political power. Its effective political power and nation. Political power and nation. Okay. Importance of nationalism. What is the main importance of the nationalism? Sacrificially many freedom fighters. The freedom fighters sacrificially we got freedom of India, Independence Day. Okay. So before Constitution of India, our India total under the colonial system. Under the colonial system, mainly direct ruling of the principles and direct ruling of the citizenships. These are the citizenship mainly some type of categories only following. Some type of categories meaning it means some type of generations, some type of socially some type of categories only following. So here what is the main importance of nationalism? Scientific, it is the main important. Scientifically, why means so nationalism, it is under control by the national government. Okay, and the state government. State government depend on nation. So and it's effective. It's effective. And its effective political power on the nation. Political power of the nation. Political parties. The political viewers. Main important of changes of the power of the nationalism feelings. So this nationalism, scars of the nationalism, sacrifice of many national leaders, sacrifice of national leaders. Okay, many nationalists means freedom fighters. The great freedom fighters sacrifice of whole life. The freedom fighters, the leaders sacrifice total life and went to the many times went to the prisons or central jail. Okay, here mainly the under the national feelings only. The national feelings only. This type of movements also changes. Sacrifice of many leaders and national leaders like independent leaders. So the nationalism is on the effective force and punishment and sovereignty power also mainly ruling of the national feelings. And which type of main importance of nationalism? The importance of nationalism mainly categories of reservation seats under the jobs. Okay, next freedom of the any area, freedom of the any place, any region, any territory. Okay, any particular region. So freedom of the security and we want to separate of the equality. Equality is also one of the main importance of the nationalism. So nationalism is a different type of categories are there. The categories equality, freedom, okay, food and gender, religions, caste, language, different etc. All type of categories mainly under the nationalism characters. Okay, the main type of nationalism, free of the religions also different there, but all are the same religions. Here is also called secular group. Sacrifice of national leaders, many leaders sacrificed to whole life. The life total under the total effect of the life freedom, in people's freedom life. So all and there is no equality. There is no equality means so under the colonial system there is no freedom. Okay, there is no particular main point freedom. There is no freedom. There is no security. Freedom and security. So the nationalism under the in different type of rights also there. Different type of rights. The rights are mainly effect of the category of particular one type of the nation in the modern politics. Olden days different type of categories there. Now modern politics also different type of categories there. Olden days rules change. Now modern days also rules and regulations also change. So political scope, your main important political scope or political power. The political power only mainly exploiting of the national feelings. So state power. Here state power, national and state. Already we will discuss about previous classes. Nation, nationality, state, society. So here total different type of meanings are there, but here categories also same category. And the political leaders or political viewers clearly explained on the nationalism it is not only under the modern politics, it is an effect of every category of the person, every citizen of the India. In not only India, total all over the world. So this is the main importance of nationalism, and it is the effect of political viewers and political thinkers, ideological of different greatest scientific methods. Okay, it is sacrifice of many leaders also sacrifice. Many leaders also sacrifice there. The sacrifice leaders many times also like strikes or movements. Strike or movement. Sometimes these are movements also change the like movements, change the revolutions also. So large revolutions also main effect of the nationalism type of feelings. So these are the mainly nationality and nationalism. But nationality is the under the depend on the category or the depend on the country level only. But nationalism, the nation and nationality, they are two depend on the nationalism. So nation and nationality under the total, these two words under the already mixture of the nationalism. Scope of nationalism. What is the main scope of nationalism? Now topic scope of the nationalism. Scope of the nationalism. The nationalism scope. Okay, the national leaders. It is main scope. It is affected on the it is affected on the already including of the states power. The scope of nationalism already including of the states power or colonial rules. State powers are regional powers. State or regional powers already including of the scope of the nationalism. The scope of nationalism particularly it is on mainly the principles, the work how to working in fundamental rights and human rights, like the example, and government also how to working the working time and constitutional remedies also how to follow the constitutional remedies, like national feelings. Okay, national feelings, national festival. Okay, festival also like example we are celebrated in different type of festivals, and peoples also mainly follow the different type of culture, and like our Indian heritage and culture, and civilization and scope. Okay, scope is also one of the main important of the ideological of political powers, political and viewers, political powers and viewers. So intelligence reports, intellectually some Canada different type of research programs. The programs also mainly change of the nationalism. So this nationalism, what is the main importance of nationalism? Their main importance of the nationalism, it is on scientifically proof there. What is which type of category? Scientific type of categories proofs also there. So it is the effective of political leaders. Political leaders how to mainly maintenance of the how to follow the rules and the conditions. Political viewers, political power, how to follow the political powers. It is on the under the direct category of the nationalism type of category. Nationalism of the categories. So the scope main important of the nationalism. The scope power under the depth. The nationalism under the depth of the every citizen. It is an effective. Which type of effective of the nationalism power? The effectives mainly like different type of religions, and caste. Okay, here total mixture of the population. The mixture of the population divide of the individual groups. The groups also mainly follow the individual sides. Individual sides are individual caste. So it is an effect of political power of the nation and scope of the nation and like effective force in modern politics. Okay, scientific methods also using and next purity of power, strength of power, maintenance of law and order and justice, equality. Okay. and like freedom, equality, here etc. These are total under the rules by the nationalism type of feelings. Next, all states are dependent nation. Okay, here main important one, all states power, all states depend on the nation, depend on the nation. Not only one or two states, total all over. So all states depend on the nation. There is no nation, not neither of the states. Next, there is not a depend on the national states. So every state depend on the national government and nation depend on the state government. There is no nation. Okay, there is no nation, not neither of the states. There is not there are the depend on the every nation or states. Next one, the every state depend on the nation and every state depend on the nation and sovereign power. Every state depend on the nation and sovereign power. But every nation not sufficient under the direct rule of the state. So this meaning mainly every state depend on the nation, but every state depend on nation and sovereignty power. Next, every nation not sufficient under the direct rule of the state. Every nation not sufficient. So nation is the main important of the in this system. But states, every state won't use their state by state changes. But nation, there is no change. Nation is simplified only for long method. It is the long method. State is the short method. Okay, the method is the difference, long and short. Every state depend on the nation and this is named for sovereignty power. But every nation not sufficient under the direct rule of the state. Not sufficient under the direct rule of the state. So this is the mainly difference between nation and the state. So the nationalism is the modern politically total changes of nation. Modern ways politically the maintenance of the power also mainly maintenance of every nation government. So without nation, without states. Okay, next one model. Without nation of the system. Without nation of the system. Without nation of the system, without state. Without a state. Without nation of the system, without of the state rule. So So the state rule also directly or indirectly mainly depend on nation. Directly or indirectly depend on the nation. Without nation of the system, without nation, there is no depend on state government. So without nation of the system, without of the depend on the state rule, state ruling power, state political power. Okay, the state ruling power and state political power also under the directly or indirectly, directly or indirectly depend on the national. Okay, so the nationalism feelings, nationalism leaders, nationalism feelings and nationalism leaders, political leaders maintenance under the sovereignty power. Nationalism leaders, political leaders or state-wise political leaders under the maintenance by the sovereignty power. So the sovereignty power mixture of the state government and the nation government, state government and nation government. So nationalism it is the one of the biggest type of method. The method is follow the system under the rules and regulations, citizens rights and next here categories of persons. Okay, and political modern political viewers, modern political ideology and methods. These are the total change of the state power and national power. Okay, the scope of nationalism. What is the scope of nationalism?